What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. Huawei is a giant telecom supplier and phone manufacturer. For more than a year, there has been no shortage of scrutiny on the Chinese telecom giant, and a number of countries have banned the use of its networking equipment. Its phones are virtually invisible in the US despite its massive presence around the world. The company's chairman had predicted that 2020 would be difficult for Huawei, and there certainly have been challenges. The US continues to pressure allies to block Huawei from their next generation 5G wireless networks. In July, the UK opted to ban Huawei from its 5G infrastructure. The company's gear must be removed by 2027, a decision that Huawei found disappointing as 5G becomes increasingly mainstream. The core issue with Huawei has been concerns about its coziness with the Chinese government and fears that its equipment could be used to spy on other countries and companies. It's the reason why the US banned companies from using Huawei networking equipment in 2012 and why the company was added to the US Department of Commerce Bureau of Industry and Security Entity List in May 2019, following an executive order from President Donald Trump effectively banning Huawei from US communication network. A year later, Trump extended the order until 2021. The US initially offered a reprieve to companies, allowing them to work with Huawei through a temporary general license, but the Commerce Department accused the company of exploiting the rules to continue using American technology in its semiconductor design. It tightened those rules in August 2020 and said the temporary general license would not be extended further. Huawei has long denied any wrongdoing and continues to maintain its innocence. With the launch of the iPhone 12 now only days away, it's time to get really excited about what Apple has in its store for us all. What if we had an accessory that could attach to iPhone 12 and turn the phone into an actual Magic Mouse that can be used to control your Mac or iPad? It's called the Magic Mouse Mini, and unfortunately it's the creation of Yanku Design rather than an actual product leak, but the mere prospect of this has got us very excited about what could be. The idea is pretty simple in theory. The Magic Mouse Mini is like an advanced pop socket that attaches to the back of your iPhone and has an optical sensor built in. Once it's attached, you place it down and move it around just like you would a regular computer mouse. And for fans of the Magic Mouse Mini gesture controls, that's what the iPhone screen is for. Presumably this would not stop it functioning like an actual phone either, but it would make it infinitely more useful during your working day. Rumors and leaks have told us that there are going to be plenty of products on show on Tuesday Apple event, including 4 iPhone 12 models, the Bluetooth AirTags, overhead AirPod Studio, and the HomePod Mini. The Magic Mouse Mini, however, is not going to be one of them. For now though, we'll just have to stick with one of those mouse apps from the App Store or cough up the $79 for an actual Magic Mouse. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.